And here we go, about to open it up. Good afternoon guys, I have just finished work, but we out here making videos. So it's been a bit of a damp week. I do have a lot of things planned for the car, a lot of content with the car. However, it's been a bit of a damp week this week, so I thought, why don't we try something a little bit different? So if you follow me on Instagram already, you are probably aware that I take and edit a lot of my photos, but I came across one of my followers' Instagrams and I thought his work was very unique, something different. I've never really seen his work before, and on top of that, it is nice as well. We've talked a couple of times, but I wasn't sure if he was up for editing other people's photos, so I asked him if he could edit a couple of photos for me. As you probably already know, if you follow my Instagram, I always post in threes, so I sent him 4 photos. He's got 4 photos to choose from, and I've also got 4 photos to choose from. So his Instagram handle is weps.one, that's weps.one, weps.one. Go drop him a follow, check out his work. As I said, it's very unique and it's very nice as well.
Nice.
So I sent him the photos yesterday evening via email. He sent me his email and I think he was editing the whole day. I think he had work as well. And today he also dropped me a message on Instagram that he's finished editing all of them. So I really appreciate him doing all of that for me, and he was up for it. He said that he's doing it because he likes apparently what I've got. So that is a compliment in itself. So thank you very much. But yeah, do give him a follow. His work is unique. I believe he's from Romania, but yeah, he's such a nice guy. He's very chilled. So go check out his page. I will put it in the link below. And so this video is gonna be my reaction to the photos that he sent. So yeah, let's get to it, I guess. Why we're waiting for so long? So I'll just quickly log in. So here we are. These are the photos that I've sent him. Oh baby. So the first photo is the shot where I am in front of the car. I'm taking a shot from the right front hand side of the car. And here we go, about to open it up. Jeez, this is, oh my days. This is so nice, honestly. Wow, the freaking yellow goop coming out of the car. Even got the shadows on there. It looks real, man. It looks so nice. Jeez, I wonder how long that took him to edit this. This is nice. This is so nice. I likes that. So, second photo is I'm in front of the car, directly straight ahead of it. So here we go. We're gonna open that up. Second photo. Jeez, man. This guy is creative, man. This guy is creative, honestly. Got the purple goop going. Look at that, even got the lines on there. Got the shadows. The goop coming down. Jeez, it seems like he's made my car. I don't know if you've ever seen Space Jam, but it's kind of giving me that vibe. It's got a Space Jam vibe. It is so freaking nice. I don't know, let me know what you think of it. Comment down below. I think this is nice. I might have to start paying him, you know. Right, we're moving on to the third photo. So the third photo is picture of the the rear of the car, from the rear passenger door to the end of the car. Right, so we're gonna open that up. Jeez, these are so nice. Damn. I wonder what he uses to edit all his photos. What do you think that he uses? I mean, surely it can't be Google Paint. Got the green goop now. Still got the shadows coming out of the gaps of the door and on the frame and on the side here. Bro, this is nice. So my one worry about this was because the photos were taken sunset, everything had an orange tinge, and I wasn't sure how he was gonna sort of blend that. But these photos have come out so nice. I rate this guy. I rate this guy. So first photo, I'm gonna give it a mark rating of 9. Second photo, I'm gonna give it a mark rating of 9. Third photo, I'm gonna give it a mark rating of 12 out of 10. So 30 out of 30, bro. So 30 out of 30, bro. 30 out of 30. Jeez. Man, I can't believe it. So that is all of the photos, I'm afraid, guys. If you do want to see a clearer quality, follow me on Instagram at _MarkAlden_, and most importantly, drop weps.one a follow. I don't know if he is going to edit all of your photos, but drop him a message. He's an approachable guy. But yeah, drop him a follow and let him know that I sent you, you know, I'd appreciate that. But yeah, weps.one, if you're watching, thank you very much for what you've done here. I am super impressed. And yeah, thank you very much for taking the time. Bearing in mind, guys, I haven't paid him to do this for me. He didn't need to do this for me if he didn't want to, but of his goodwill, he said that he'll edit those photos for me. And yeah, thank you, I appreciate you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please drop a like, comment, and if you've not subscribed already, please press that subscribe button. And I appreciate all of your support on a day-to-day basis. Let's get this channel to be bigger than what it is. I am so grateful for all of you guys subscribing, liking and commenting all the photos. I appreciate all of your effort. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Keep your eyes peeled for some more car contents, awesome contents in general. I've got a few on the way. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Thank you very much for watching.